Hi everyone, welcome back to Great Online Training. Today we are going to discuss about the question number 49. So let's enter into question number 49. So the question number 49 is, you have two character variables, first underscore name and last underscore name. Write a statement to combine them into a new variable, full underscore name, without any additional space between them, and fill in the blank. So what actually the question explains is, here we have two character variables, and the first one is first underscore name and the second one is last underscore name. Write a statement to combine them into a new variable, full underscore name. So we have to combine those two variables, that is the first underscore name and the last underscore name, into a new variable called full underscore name without any additional space between them. So without any gaps, we have to combine those two variables into a new variable called full underscore name. So to answer to this question, so let me explain some of the functions and their role, and then we can answer the question. For that purpose, let me open the SAS. So now we can see I have placed some of the functions which required for the question. So first of all, to concatenate two variables, we can use the symbol called this one. You can see here, right? The concatenate symbol is here. So to concatenate, we can use the symbol. So the first name is John, and here you can see there are the trailing blanks, and here the leading blanks are present. So what we have to do is we have to concatenate the first underscore name and last underscore name. So now I am using a new variable, full underscore name is equals to first underscore name concatenated with last underscore name. So when we have run the program, let's see what the result actually appears. So run the program and check the log. Okay, so in the work library and concatenate data set. So now we can see John is present and Doy is present. Here the leading blank, here the trailing. So here the trailing blanks are present and here the leading blanks are present. So when we are concatenating these two variables, we are getting John and Doy, but the space is same as the present. So the concatenate function, which is used to combine the variables as it is present without any removal of the spaces. So when we are coming to the functions, when we are using the function, so the cat is same as the cat function, which is same as the concatenate function. If you see here, we are using the symbol, but here we are using the cat function, cat of first underscore name comma last underscore name. So what it looks when we run the program, see here and so on. So here the same, the full underscore name observation is same, right? John and Doe, and the space is also same. You can see here the same result is appearing by using the symbol and also by using the cat function. And the next function here is the cat test function. So the cat test function, which is used to combine the two variables without any space, means it will remove the leading blank and also the trailing blanks. Without any space, the cat test function will work. So see here, John, the same example is same for every function, but now I'm using the cat test function, cat test of first underscore name comma last underscore name, as the cat test function, which is used to remove both the leading and also the trailing blanks. So run the program now and cat test, and now you can see there is no space between John and Doy. So it removes both the leading and also the trailing blanks. That is the main purpose of the cat test function. And the next function here is catx, data catx, first underscore name as it is present. Now I am using the catx function. So the main use of the catx function is, it is similar to the catx function. The catx function, which is used to remove leading and trailing blanks. The catx also is used to remove leading and trailing blanks, but it can add the extra space if we have mentioned. Like here, I have used the space here. In the quotation mark, I have placed the space. So when I run the program, means we can place the extra space, like extra character we can place in the catx function. That is the main difference between the catx and also the catx. So run the program now. So catx, right? So now you can see there is one space between the John and Doe, so which adds the extra space. That's the difference between the cat test and also the cat x. So now we can understand, right? The cat like the concatenate function and the cat function are similar. The cat s, which is used to remove both the leading and trailing blanks, and cat x function, which is same as the cat s function, but it is used to place an extra space so that we will get the space what we have mentioned there. So John and Doe, there is a space that we have mentioned in the data step. So now you have a clarity about the concatenate function, the cat, cat s and cat x. So based on these four questions, like based on these four options, what is the correct one we have to answer. So in this question, so you have two character variables, first underscore name and last underscore name. Write a statement to combine them into a new variable, full underscore name. So we have written already without any additional space between them. So now if you see here, when we combine those two variables, here there is the space when we are concatenating, and when we are using the cat function, there is the space, and when we are using the cat s function, here you can see there is no space between them because it removes both the leading blanks and also the trailing blanks. And when we are using the cat x function, we added a new space, like even not in a space, we can use the comma or anything, the character that we want we can add in that space. The extra space can be added in the cat x function. So without any spaces means that is the cat s. So John and Doe are combined without any a single space. So the correct answer for this question here is the cat s function. So you have to write cat s is the answer. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel. And thank you for watching and like the video. Thank you.